Hey people, um, my voice is coming back, but I still have the coughing problem. I haven't been able to sleep because every time I fall asleep, I can't breathe right, so then I, instantly wake up. So that's annoying. I can breathe okay when I'm awake, it's just when I fall asleep, it's a bit of a problem. And I think I went through 20 bags of tea since Friday, which is a lot of tea. Made a chocolate cake around 12 in the morning. No, I think I made it around 1. I'm still eating it. Drank some milk. Made some more tea. But yeah, I can't go to sleep very well because my body's oh shit, I can't breathe. The fuck? So, that's a little annoying, but what else can I do? At least I'm breathing okay and awake. But the whole not breathing right while I'm sleeping is new. My body won't let me fall asleep because of this until I'm exhausted and basically falling asleep sitting up. Sorry, and taking deep breaths. I think my arm moved fast enough to cover my mouth. Wow. But yeah, and life is weird. So yeah. That's an update. Oh, and if I were to get a COVID-19 test, the only 3 ways I could get it is if I'm dying, dead, or my dad got proof of exposure. You know. But yeah. So yeah. And going to school online is going, I guess, okay. I can't receive my materials anymore because they're too big to fit in the mailbox. So they have to be sent to a different address. Which is, annoying. But I can't do anything about it. It's just how it is right now, this crazy quarantine time. And, I can't go anywhere because, I'm coughing and I'm kind of sick. Oh, so I'm a little bit high risk due to my medical problems, so yeah, I can't go anywhere. So, that's, yay. I think I'm also going insane. Oh, and then Monday night, I heard a bunch of people hanging out outside on apartment building, and I'm what the fuck are they doing? They're not social distancing anymore. Are you bitches crazy? I didn't say that out loud, then. I'm nah, you better stay away from me. I guess if you're helping me, it's fine. But if you're just randomly standing there, nah. I don't want to catch it. Or if I did catch it, I don't want to catch it again. Hopefully I don't get bad enough where I have to go in anywhere, because I don't want to go in anywhere. I guess that's all I have to say for now. Bye.